Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Top 5 best paying related HVAC technician jobs in the U.S. Top examples of these roles include General Manager HVAC, HVAC Engineer, and Air Conditioning Engineer. Importantly, all of these jobs are paid between $23,273, 47.3%, and $35,359, 71.8%, more than the average HVAC technician salary of $49,242.
Let's help you make your mark.
Become a millionaire. A lot of contractors are young millionaires because HVAC is an industry where it's possible to go from mechanic to millionaire in less than a decade. There will always be a job for you as the industry is expanding year after year.
Make your mark, take our lead.
HVAC technician HVAC techs usually go through programs designed specifically for the career. Working for a property management firm or corporate HVAC company usually nets a nice income, but making $100,000 or more a year often requires starting your own company.
Let's help you make your mark.
There are some more serious risks for HVAC workers that could be potentially fatal. They can be exposed to carbon monoxide, which can be poisonous. As HVAC technicians frequently come into contact with wiring, they risk being electrocuted. They can also suffer other types of burns and abrasions to the skin.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.